get ready, Max. That would be $15. How about that?
That's very expensive. No one's gonna stop.
No. Can you get water in a bowl? That's at a real car wash. Max, I'll tell you when to stop. Max, don't stop yet. What's your name, miss?
Here's some bags for the towel.
Guys, I'm getting this part. Dora, this is my bucket.
Not with water inside, Bubba. Wipes, the wipes.
No. Look. Look what I'm doing.
Dora,
I'm not gonna.
don't go in with that.
Don't. What do you think of your money?
Good!
How did you make your money, Dara?
We really cleaned hard. Then my dad sprayed it all over, and pretty much we're done. I earned some money, and I just folded it so it could fit in my piggy bank. I helped with inside and the outside.
Did you help with the sign?
Yes, good idea, miss. Thank you.